Ever heard of crypto, but not sure where to start? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, a fascinating and ever-evolving space. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about this new asset class, you've probably heard of some big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But with all this talk of digital wallets and exchanges, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to even begin. So, let's say you're intrigued by the idea of crypto and want to explore further. Perhaps you've heard of Coinbase, a popular platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. But how do you actually access it? Does Coinbase have an app? The power in your pocket, the Coinbase app. The answer is a resounding yes. Coinbase offers a user-friendly mobile app that puts the world of crypto at your fingertips. Available for both iOS and Android devices, the Coinbase app allows you to easily manage your cryptocurrency portfolio on the go. This is a game changer. Imagine being able to check your Bitcoin holdings, buy some Ethereum while you're waiting for your coffee, or send crypto to a friend, all from your smartphone. No need to fire up your laptop and navigate a complex website. Beyond the basics, what the app offers. Now, the Coinbase app goes beyond just basic transactions. Here are some key features that make it a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced crypto users. Simple and secure interface. Coinbase prioritizes a clean and intuitive design, making it easy to navigate for first-timers. Features are well organized, and the app guides you through every step of the process, from buying your first crypto to setting up secure two-factor authentication. Buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. This is the core functionality, of course. The app allows you to buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more with various payment methods, including your debit card or bank account. Selling your crypto is just as straightforward, and for the more adventurous users, there's even a dedicated trading platform within the app for advanced order types and charting tools. Track prices and market trends. Staying informed is crucial in the fast-paced world of crypto. The Coinbase app provides real-time market data, allowing you to track price fluctuations and monitor the overall performance of different cryptocurrencies. This can help you make informed decisions about your investments. Learn and earn. Coinbase understands that education is key, especially for new users. The app offers a variety of learning resources, including educational videos and quizzes. By completing these educational modules, you can even earn small amounts of free crypto, giving you a chance to experiment without having to invest your own money. Security matters, keeping your crypto safe. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Coinbase takes this very seriously, and the app incorporates robust security features to safeguard your digital assets. These include two-factor authentication, secure login protocols, and industry-leading encryption standards. Additionally, Coinbase stores a significant portion of user funds offline in secure vaults, further minimizing the risk of online attacks. Coinbase app, a great starting point for your crypto journey. While there are other cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms out there, the Coinbase app offers a compelling combination of user-friendliness, security, and a wide range of features. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking for a convenient mobile app to manage your existing crypto portfolio, the Coinbase app is definitely worth considering. Final thoughts: exploring the crypto world with confidence. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is still evolving, and it's crucial to do your own research before making any investment decisions. However, the Coinbase app can be a valuable tool to get you started on your crypto journey with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.